Hello, good morning, friends. And here we are working on a Dyson Cinetic big ball. And what's going on with this machine? One of the gears inside here, it's broken. So I had an extra piece from another Dyson, which I already took out, which is this piece that is broken. It's one size, that post it's completely gone. That's why when the customer turns his vacuum on, only one side is working because it's attached to the main assembly, and this other side is just, it's free of it's got a free play here. So we're going to replace this one with an old one that I had. So I'm going to show you how to take it apart and install the new piece. All right, so let's start with this. So you're going to need to remove the brush roll first. So as you can see, it's already busted here. Okay, and then you're gonna need a Torx 25 screw head here. You got 2 screws on the bottom. And then we've got 3 more. We got 2 long ones and a short one. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside. So this comes off. And then the top should come off. Let's see. Yeah, so this should come off. Oh, there's still one more screw holding it. So there's actually 4. We got 4 screws. So that one goes there. So we're gonna leave the same motor, but we're going to get rid of this piece. So we got 2 screws holding that motor, that gear assembly. So I'm going to get those screws out here. And let's hope it works. So I got that off. And then I'm going to remove one of the posts that hold the brush roll. The other side is busted, so we just need to remove that one, and that should come off. So there you have it. Now you can maneuver it, and let's see. And then there's a small screw, a T25 I think here, a 15. Where did I leave my screw? There you go. Okay. And then there's a gasket that is holding those two pieces together, so you want to cut that one. Okay, then do the same thing on the other side. But before I do that, I have to remove this piece here. Okay, by doing that, so that comes off. That's the base. You see how this is, it got melted in there. That was under a lot of tension. So we need to remove that. Try to get this belt off. And it looks like this is gonna work. It looks the same to me. Okay, that one just slides down, just like that. Go ahead and put the new one. Yeah, that's the new one. But before I do that, I'm gonna vacuum this off. That way it's nice and clean. Slide that one over. Actually, I need to put the cover here. Need to put the, I still need to put the belt. Okay, just like that. And then our cover. Oh, don't forget the wheel. Where's my wheel here? Okay. All right, so that looks good. Then you want to go ahead and put the screws. Give it a spin, make sure it works. And yep, everything looks good. Let's just put it back together. So there you have it. Now we're gonna put the cover. And then we'll test it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Let me vacuum this off. And then we'll test it to see how it runs. You see, I just noticed that this one is still open. It's because I forgot to put the other screw here. So once I put that screw in there, so that should close it completely. So you could still do it from, even if this is already put together, you still have some room in there to get a screwdriver. There. See, now it's all sealed. All right, so now we're going to put these posts in here. We have 2, 1 on each side. As you can see, those they got melted. All right, so there you have it. So it's pretty simple. There you have it. If you want to see it in action, we'll put the brush roll and we'll test it just to make sure both sides are working. I'm only gonna put 1 screw because I still gotta clean the brush roll area. So just for testing, I'm just gonna leave it like that and test it. getting the main vacuum here ready, so just bear with me. All right, so we're gonna test it now. So it's working. So if you like our video, please subscribe. Thank you for your support.